For light-duty headlight restoration or simple headlight lens maintenance, 3M has a solution for you. The 3M Quick Headlight Renewal contains a 5,000 grit Trizact sanding disc and 3M scratch remover. In just minutes, these 2 quick steps can help you remove light yellowing or degrading from headlight lenses. Following the simple directions on the package, wet sand only the yellowed part of your lenses with the extra fine Trizact sanding disc. Follow up by wiping the 3M scratch remover across the whole lens to polish. For regular lens maintenance, turn to lighter duty 3M Headlight Renewal and simply polish your lenses with a microfiber cloth. Use as needed every 3 to 6 months. Stand back and admire your work. With the help of 3M, you improved headlight brightness and nighttime visibility.